In this chapter, let us learn about NumPy array reshaping. Reshaping arrays. Reshaping means changing the shape of an array. The shape of an array is the number of elements in each dimension. By reshaping, we can add or remove dimensions or change the number of elements in each dimension. Reshape from 1D to 2D. Convert the following 1D array with 12 elements into a 2D array. The outermost dimension will have 4 arrays each with 3 elements. See, if we execute the code like this, the result returns this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Reshape from 1D to 3D. See the example. Convert the following 1D array with 12 elements into a 3D array. The outermost dimension will have 2 arrays that contain 3 arrays each with 2 elements. See, if we execute this code, the result returns this. Can we reshape into any shape? Yes, as long as the elements required for reshaping are equal in both shapes. We can reshape an 8th element 1D arrays into 4 elements in 2 rows 2D array, but we cannot reshape it into a 3 elements 3 rows 2D arrays, as that would require 3 into 3 is equal to 9 elements. See the example. Try converting 1D array with 8 elements 2D array with 3 elements. In each dimension will raise an error. See, if you execute this code, the result returns error. Check if the returned array is a copy or a view. See, the example above returns the original array, so it is a view. So, if you execute this code, it is written as a view. The result returns this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Unknown dimension. You are allowed to have one unknown dimension, meaning that you do not have to specify any exact number for one of the dimensions in the reshape method. Pass 1 as a value and the NumPy will calculate the number of value. See, if we execute this code, the result returns this. We cannot pass -1 to more than one dimension. Flattening the arrays. Flattening arrays means converting a multi-dimensional arrays into a 1D array. We can use the reshape -1 to do this. See, for example, convert the array into a 1D array. If I execute this code, the result returns this. There are a lot of functions for changing the shape of arrays in NumPy flatten, ravel, and also for rearranging the elements rot 90, flip, flipper, flipwood, etc. These are all under intermediate to advanced section of NumPy. Okay friends, this is the end of part 9 array reshaping. In next video, let us learn about another topic, array iterating. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.